Hello children. How are you? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you playing at home?
Yeah.
Welcome to 6th class. You are looking very pretty.
Wow.
I love you children. Do you want to play with me?
Yeah.
Okay. I too want to play with you. I love you so much. So, do you want to see your English textbook? See this textbook? How lovely it is. And inside, see the picture children. It's look very pretty. See this? How the children are playing. Okay. You also can play with us like this. Okay children. Okay. Let's start the first unit. Peace and harmony. Okay children. Love you children. Before going to read a lesson, we will sing a rhyme. Can you sing with me?
Yeah.
Okay. MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. In that farm, he had many ducks. In that farm, he had many ducks. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, 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 quack. MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. In that farm, he had many cats. In that farm, he had many cats. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow, 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 meow. MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. In that farm, he had many dogs. In that farm, he had many ducks. Here a bow, there a bow, everywhere a bow, bow, bow. MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Do you like this rhyme, children?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start the lesson. Okay. Unit 1, A reading, Peace and Harmony. Thick forest, beautiful forest, full of trees. Animals are living together happily. We can see animals sitting and enjoying. Birds, pretty birds playing high in the sky, searching for food. Let us see the video now. Rabbits, pretty lovely rabbits. Do you like children? Do you like to see that beautiful rabbits? Insects, tiny colorful insects we can see around us. Snake, see big snake in the picture. Peacock, beautiful peacock. It is our national bird. See how it is dancing. Cuckoo, cuckoo. It's a small bird. Coo, coo. Tiger, majestic animal. It is our national animal. It sits nicely in the picture. Bear, ash color bear, going somewhere to meet its friends. Ants, if we see ants, we can somehow learn unity and saving food for future. Buffaloes, it is a big buffalo, gives us milk. Fishes, beautiful and colorful fishes are swimming. Jackal, dirty, dangerous, cunning animal. Lion, king of the forest. Squirrel, tiny beautiful squirrel eating apple. Parrots, two parrots, lovely parrots are looking at each other. See children, a big python looking at us. Myna, small singing bird. Children, see this crow, how it is flying slowly, high and high and high. Do you like this, children? Okay. Deer. Look, it's very pretty looking at us and it wants to come and play with us. Elephant. It's a biggest land animal and children love to ride on its back. Do you love that animals? Okay, children. Did you enjoy looking at the creatures? So, let's move to a reading text, peace and harmony. Now, let us see glossary and important meanings. Roamed, move about, especially over a wide area. Admire, regard somebody with respect and pleasure. Melodious, producing pleasant music. Tiny, little, very small. Gymnastics, physical exercises. Cunning, clever at deceiving others. Praise, express approval for somebody. Approach, come near. Whisper, speak softly. Suspect, mistrust. Property, objects or things owned by somebody. Okay, children, see the beautiful picture, what the animals are doing. Once again, we come to a text, peace and harmony. A reading. Once upon a time, in a very thick forest, there lived many animals, birds, snakes, and insects. They all lived together happily. They roamed about the jungle and played together in the open fields without any fear. The peacocks were very proud of their dances, but admired the melodious songs of the cuckoos. The elephants enjoyed watching the fish swimming in the pool. The pythons, which were blessed with long bodies, spoke well of the fine fur of the flat-foot rabbits. The tiny ants, which were always busy, tickled the dark buffaloes. They often held musical evenings in a large open field. The elephant and the deer danced. The mynas and the parrot sang. The tiger and the bear exhibited gymnastics. They called the moon and his friends, the stars, to be the guests of honor at their musical evenings. One day, a jackal entered the forest. He was dirty, dangerous, and very cunning too. He told the elephants, "You are the biggest animals in the forest. Why do you want to play with the squirrel and the rabbits?" He poisoned the minds of the peacocks, saying, "You are the loveliest birds in the forest. Why do you want to praise the mynas?" The jackal then approached the deer and whispered that the tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them. Gradually, all the animals began suspecting one another. Earlier, they had lived together, slept together, and roamed around the forest together. Now, they started to put up boundaries and built fences around their properties. They moved about individually or with their own group. Now, it was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds. And when the smaller ones cried out for help, no one came to help them. One by one, the little ones disappeared. The forest slept as the animals were upright. There were no more musical evenings. The moon was sad. He cried. Let us see vocabulary from Peace and Harmony. Read the following sentences from the story. They heard a soft voice. He was dirty and dangerous. It was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and birds. The jackal told the elephant, "You are the biggest animal in the forest." He said to the peacock, "You are the loveliest bird in the forest." The underlined words are called adjectives. Here children, see the definition of adjectives. An adjective is a word used to describe a person, a place, of thing. An adjective modifies nouns or pronouns. Adjectives are information gatherers. They provide further information about an object's size, shape, age, color, origin or material. So let us see, this is divided into three parts. They have degrees of comparison. Positive degree, second one comparative degree, third one superlative degree. So positive degree, it is used, no comparison is made. See some examples. Ramu is a good boy. Second one, a big beautiful ball. Third one, sweet mango. Fourth one, today is very bright. The second one, comparative degree, used when two things are compared. Let us see some examples. Palm tree is taller than banana tree. Bear is stronger than deer. Jasmine is more beautiful than lily. Describe noun and pronoun. Let us see some more examples. Positive, comparative, superlative. Dark, darker, darkest. Small, smaller, smallest. Near, nearer, nearest. Big, bigger, biggest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Melodious, more melodious, most melodious. Let's recap the A reading part 1. All the animals and birds, insects lived happily in the forest. They are celebrating musical evenings. One day, a dirty, dangerous, cunning jackal came to the forest. It poisoned the minds of all the animals. So, they suspected each other. They formed their own groups. When the jackal came to the small animals cried for help. But all the animals, they didn't bother about that. So, let us see what will happen in the second part of A reading in another session. Thank you. Have a good day, children. Let us come to the comprehension. Question and answers. At the beginning, how did the animals and the birds live together? Answer. Animals and birds happily roamed together and they praised each other and respected each other and lived happily. See children, how they are sitting and enjoying their life. Question. What are musical evenings? Answer. All the animals and birds gather in a large open field and enjoy by singing and dancing and exhibiting gymnastics. Okay, come to the third question, children. Who came to the forest one day? One day, the cunning jackal came to the forest. See this cunning and dangerous jackal. Children, come to the fourth question. What happened to the animals after the jackal came to the forest? Answer. The jackal poisoned the minds of all the animals, birds and insects. All the animals began suspecting one another. They started to put up boundaries and build fences around their properties. They moved about individually or with their own group. Children, this is your own question. You have to think and write. If you were in the place of jackal, what would you do? If you like children, you have to write like this. Answer. If I were in the place of jackal, I would never poison the minds of the animals. I also would live happily with them. Animals are living together happily. We can see a beautiful animals sitting and enjoying.